This might just be the best gamjatang in town. Full of the bone yung meat and then flavorful and spicy yung broth. Tapos meron din sila nitong lengzab or yung volcano ribs na sikat sa Thailand. Last week pa kami nagpunta dito pero hanggang ngayon iniisip pa rin namin yan. Dito yan sa Zubaji. Meron ito sa Makati, Pasay, Malate at dito sa Angeles City. Dito nga pala, you get 200 pesos off of your bill pag nag-sign up ka sa Soler Rewards Lifestyle and an additional 5% off on your second visit. Yung Angeles City branch ay nasa Friendship Highway. Open sila from 10 a.m. to 3 a.m. at meron ding parking area. Siyempre, uunahin natin yung gamjatang since ito yung dish na pinakakilala sa kanila. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalambot yung meat, girl. Kahit wala kang ngipin, kaya mo to. Fair warning lang, this is spicy. Hindi naman siya nang bibigla eh. Sa una parang okay lang pero pag nakakarami ka na, mararamdaman mo rin. Malasang-malasa yung broth, pwede mo pang isabay sa rice. At pwede mo ring ipa-refill. Nakadalawang refill ata kami ng sabaw. Pagdating sa meat, itatry natin yung Iberico. Ito yung sinasabi nilang parang Wagyu pero pork. There's a lot of side dishes that go with it at ang gustong-gusto ko ay itong maraming sibuyas. The meat is super tender. Akala ko talaga beef ito. And don't even get me started on the side dishes. Nakaka-addict. I can't get over how good this was. Just editing this video alone makes me wanna go back and order these things again. Tapos eto na yung lingzab. Guys, grabe to. Yung dipping sauce niya is vinegar na maraming aromatics, especially garlic. At tingnan nyo kung gaano kalambot. Talagang humihiwala yung buto doon sa meat without any effort at all. Dito mapapa-extra rice ka talaga. Meron siyang slight sweetness, so medyo it's giving pares, pero yung social na version. Napaka-solid nito guys. Very garlicky, merong star anise, slight sweetness, tapos ipapares mo doon sa vinegar dip nila. Very tender pa yung meat. So it's like the pares of your dreams 1,000 times better. I cannot tell you enough how much we love this. Meron din tayong chicken. Ito ay half order lang. And since sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga yung maraming sibuyas, yan yung pinares ko dito. Ito naman yung chashu or braised pork. Also served with lots of onions and goes so well in the lettuce wrap with their side dishes. Very savory yung pagkakatimpla ng pork belly. And then eto naman, chicken and rice cakes coated in that sweet, sticky, and spicy sauce. Isusunod naman natin itong barbecue ribs. Ang daming sili sa taas, diba? At tulad ng mga naunang dish, kitang-kita nyo how you can easily tear it apart and it literally falls off the bone. Grabe naman yung mga chef nyo, but ganito silang magluto. Ang galing. Deserve nyo yung award. Lastly, meron din tayo ng chicken burger at yung isa naman beef bulgogi burger. And these were also impressive. Ang sarap ng food dito. At habang kumakain kami dito, iniisip ko na lahat ng friends ko na papupuntahin ko dyan kasi natuwa talaga kami. Nako, itry nyo rin dito sa Zubaji and see for yourselves.